Fresh out of the suitcase, now I'm ready. Yeah, new town, same story, different night. Stepping into the evening, feeling deadly. Oh, the moonlight brings me back to life. From Memphis to Los Angeles, living up this life so scandalous. Knowing maybe I have it to my health. I'll give up all my energy for one more midnight memory. A feeling that is bigger than myself. You and I can set this room on fire if we just light it up. Take my hand, don't let it know what I said. It's gonna be one night love. I'd like to get to know you better in Nashville. There's a limit to the colors of tonight. It's supernatural in black and white. But let's add a little red and we can set this love alight. From Memphis to Los Angeles, living up this life so scandalous. Knowing maybe I has it to my health. I'll give up all my energy for one more midnight memory. A feeling that is bigger than myself. You and I can set this room on fire if we just light it up. Take my hand, don't call it a one night stand. Let's call it one night love. To the plate. I've always dreamed about this moment. Let's take it all the way tonight. I'm tired of waiting. Let's get rotating right now. What's going on, Nashville? Damn, how y'all doing today? I know it's hot as hell outside, but my name is Nick Black, and I'm here to cool you off just a little bit. I want y'all to give a warm round of applause to Mr. Dale Shanford on the keyboard, y'all. Yeah, man. I'm going to introduce the rest of these guys in just a little bit. Again, my name is Nick Black, and we're here to have a good time. So I tell you what, right now, if you can hear the sound of my voice, I want you to imagine that it's 10:30 at night. You're out on the town. You see somebody across the way, across the street, across the bar, across the nursing home, wherever it may be. You see somebody that you fancy. You gotta have that line that you use. You gotta have that line, am I right? So you go all the way up to them. You build up the courage. You find something to say, and it's this. Hey there, pretty lady in the front row, tell me what you wanna do. I'll stay here all night long waiting for you to make a move. Or maybe just a little 1-2 step, so I know that you can feel the groove. Once you start, you won't want to stop. Take your places you never knew. Hey there, pretty lady in the front row, tell me what you want to do. I'll stay here all night long waiting for you to make a move. Or maybe just a little 1-2 step, so I know that you can feel the groove. Or once you start,